A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound of the bat. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. Plenty. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. That's gone high. Well, that's our poor shot from the batsman. That's hit hard. That's hit for six. That's a great shot. Fielders outside the inner circle. In the air. Wow, that was a real. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. Crawl. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Oh, he's... Oh, that's... Oh, beats the edge. That's high in the air. End of the first inning won't be long. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Spinner brought into the attack. All. Masterful batting. In place. Good shot for a single. Not acceptable. This is just not right. Basic misfield like this can really cost them a lot. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Turned away for a single. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for four. Missing his line there, wide signal. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. The attack, more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Played away towards the fielder, no run. They'll have that security. Turned away for a single. They put a good all-round performance today.